Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggers for toctown.com. And today I want to share with you a full walkthrough. I'm so used to doing my TNs, but a full showcase of the charging wallet that I picked up from Old Navy. And of course, the light in here does not do it justice, but as soon as it gets a little bit warmer, I'll share with you what it does on the outside. But in the meantime, like I mentioned before, it is a charging wallet. It has a wristlet clasp attached. And on the inside, trying to do this all one hand. I think it's perfect for the spring season, and I'll get to how much I paid for it in a couple seconds or a couple minutes. Okay, and on the inside are the charger cables for Android as well as Apple and a USB recharging. So you can take the pack out first, which was what was recommended. It's a snap on and off operation. Thought this was gonna be easier, but it is attached inside, which is a good thing because when you reattach it to the case, then it forms like a little loop, and you can hang maybe like your keys or something that you don't want to shuffle around. You just want to get to it quickly and then pull it out. Okay, so you have to charge the pack first, and then you can use the ports in order to recharge your phone. I think it's only 5 voltage battery. Let me see here. Must be on this side. Push you in a little closer here. I don't think you can see that, but it's a charger compatible for the iPhone, like I mentioned, the BlackBerry, which I have, the Android, LG, Galaxy, and other smartphone products. So it was $28, and that day it was discounted to $10. So, I had to pick one up. And I will be testing this out for the next retreat that I'm going to be hosting for myself. I'm going to do like a mini writing staycation so I can get my workshop material together. So let me see. Oh, and also it has 6 just thin pockets on the inside. So you can, I don't think you should, like we tend to overstuff our wallets. I'm going to put something simple like washi strips for my TNs and probably a cash card for Staples and an Amazon gift card. So pretty much while I'm out there, if I see something I need to pick up while I'm working on retreat, then I'll go ahead and pick it up, and it's already budgeted, as well as, it'll just be sent to me. And of course, Staples, I can run over there and just pick it up. So I think that is about it. It's a real noisy video. So you have to make sure that when you're taking this out, you're not in a quiet place or space. But pretty much, I think this is going to come in handy in terms of not having to take extra wires or extra cords with me. And I can just pretty much make sure that the battery pack is charged for the day. Then let's say my cell phone goes out. I wouldn't say my tablet, because it's such a low voltage, but definitely if it's I'll have 2 cell phones on me. One gives out, I'll have a backup while the other one recharges. So in the next video, I'll have an update for you on how it actually goes, how long it takes me to charge, and as well as how long the power stays within the device, as well as the power pack. Okay, that's my quick Travel Tuesday update for you. It's going to be part of the techie trek my way through techie transition videos that are going to be on my playlist. But check back next week. I'm going to have another update for you as far as paper planning is concerned. Alrighty, of course, leave any questions in the section to your right, and also any links concerning where to pick up stuff is always located in the box as well. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com, signing off for this weekend. Take care.